In times like this, wherein stress, anxiety, depression has taken up even the most positive person, I think taking care of mental health is the biggest factor. But how do you take care of mental health? Do you go to a gym to take care of mental health? As you grow muscles, you actually grow brain muscles also. And that is created by the thoughts that you have. So statements that you make for yourself, the lines that you tell to yourself daily in and out becomes your thoughts. These thoughts becomes your feelings, and these feelings becomes your behavior. So before your thought, a negative thought becomes your negative behavior, crib that thought there and then. And by that, I don't mean that you don't have a negative thought in the entire 24 hours. It is not possible. You have so much so happening around you. You have so much news happening around you, social media happening around you, people happening around you, that in 24 hours, once or twice, you will have a negative thought. But it's not that you shut down yourself, right? You just replace that negative thought with a positive thought. Can you do that? If yes, then that's the best thing that you can do for yourself. That is what I meant by crib that thought there. So always replace your negative thoughts with a positive thought, and soon you will see that you will start feeling good. The bad or the emotion that was coming out inside you, which was saying, oh my God, what is happening in this world? The world is going to end. Am I going to die? And all these things. No. Just replace it and say, okay, the world is facing some issues, but we are fighting. We'll come over it. We will, of course, sail this time also. No pandemic has been here since ages. Everything has gone by, and this time will also pass. So start replacing your thoughts like that, and you'll see that you will start feeling and behaving more positive and optimistic. And the final is about your emotions. Now, what do we do with our emotions? Emotions are emotions. They come and they go. Do you have a control about it? Most people will say, no, I don't have any control on my anger. I don't have any control on the feeling jealousy. I don't have any control when I feel sad or I want to cry. You have. It's a myth that you don't have a control on your emotions. And it's all because you don't acknowledge your emotions. So emotions are not good emotion or bad emotion. Every emotion is important. It's important to have all the emotions. Now, people identified 6 different emotions of sadness, of happiness, of crying, of all these things. But then there are more than that. There are only not 6 types of emotion. There are n number of types of emotions which you feel, but you only bifurcate into like, love, and hate. Now, everything is not like, love, and hate, right? So start identifying which emotion is it. The moment you feel an emotion, start identifying which emotion is this. Is it about not feeling good, or is it just about I am lethargic? Or it is just required I need to sleep, I need to take rest. It's not that I am always sad. It's not depression, anxiety. They are like high levels of emotion. Don't go there. A simple sadness is not a depression. You can be sad in a one day. It's not bad. You can cry. It's not bad. And boys can cry and girls can shout. Please don't defer them into that kind of a thing. Okay. So the key here is accept that emotion, acknowledge it that you have this emotion. So if you also have an emotion of jealousy, hatred, acknowledge it. And use that emotion for a positive outcome, not for a negative outcome. Once you start doing and practicing this emotional thing with you, and you become much aware about your emotion quotient and your emotions as per se, you will see that you are able to achieve much more than you have thought of. So start accepting your body, start accepting your emotions, and start accepting the thoughts that you have on your mental health. These 3 would help you overcome all your limiting beliefs and thrive you to become a more confident and a successful human being.